In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 things you won't regret doing on your next Carnival Cruise. Stick around for a 6th bonus tip, which happens to be my personal favorite. Number 1. Getting to know the staff. Carnival Cruises have a very diverse staff on board, with people from all over the world. These crew members are extremely friendly and love meeting new people. They all have a unique story and experience to share. Many cruisers even book their cruise based on where certain crew members are in the Carnival fleet. Number 2. Spending time on the ship and port. Some ports of call might not be ideal. They might not have excursions that are particularly of interest to you, or you might be looking to save a few extra dollars on your cruise. Even so, you can make it a great day by spending some extra time on your cruise ship while it's in port. There are certain ports of call that we actually will take a quick stroll through the port area, then get right back on board the ship. Doing so allows us to enjoy many of the ship's amenities without the normal crowds that you would find on a regular sea day. The empty ship means more pool chairs, hot tubs, the Serenity loungers are open, and my personal favorite, no lines at Guy's Burger. Moving on to number 3. But first, if you like this video, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest Carnival Cruise videos. Be sure to stick around till the end for our 6th bonus tip. Next, at number 3, ordering the free continental breakfast for your room. Now this is particularly great if you have a balcony cabin. The continental breakfast is free, it's brought right to your door, you don't have to go anywhere, and you're able to enjoy a peaceful morning on your balcony. Personally, I don't think there's a better way to start the day than watching the sunrise on my private balcony with a cup of coffee. Number 4, check out the water slides. Even though it might seem like the water slides are more for kids, they're actually fun for all ages. Unlike some that I've been on in the past, these slides are fairly fast, they're entertaining, and the lines always go pretty quick. I found myself on my last cruise doing the water slides like 5 times in a row because it was a lot more fun than I expected. Number 5 is spending some time in the Serenity Adults Only retreat area. Serenity is the adults only area on Carnival cruise ships. Most of the time they're located at the front of the ship on the highest deck, although on some class of ships you might actually find Serenity at the aft of the ship. This is a great chill spot that's typically quiet because you don't have a lot of kids coming through and there's not a lot of traffic. On sea days when there's no open chairs at the pool area, generally you can still find a chair in Serenity. Serenity not only has lounge chairs, but they also have clamshell loungers, hammocks, hot tubs, and some of the best views on the ship. I also recommend checking out Serenity at night. It's great for stargazing without the light pollution being at the top of the ship. Now for our bonus tip that you should do on your next Carnival Cruise. Did you know that most Carnival cruise ships have a hidden viewing deck at the front of the ship? On many ships these are on deck 6, 7, or 10, but you'll have to look at the deck plans for your ship just to make sure. This area has some of the best views, is totally quiet, and the only thing you'll hear is the wind and the waves. It's great for sailing in and out of port, taking in some of the time at sea, and especially sunsets and sunrises. To access these hidden viewing decks, you want to go in the main hallway all the way to the front of the ship and then look on either side for a doorway that's going to lead to the outside. And that's the 6 things you won't regret doing on your next Carnival Cruise. Have you tried any or all of these? Tell me about your experience in the comments below.